Hello, it's me again. I've been indulging in one of my hobbies, a bit of bird watching, only in the garden mind, but it's been a while, hasn't it? It's nice to be back. I'd like to say that there's been countless requests for me to come back and sing for you again, but that would be a lie. There's been one. That was my mum. So this one's for you, Mum. The rest of you, sorry, I'm back with you like it or not. Anyway, this song today is about, well, my hobby, nature, and particularly the impact this wretched virus has had on the world outside. There's a murmur in the world out there, Mother Nature stirs. Wildlife emerges in the clearer air as eco-rebalance occurs. While humans are locked down inside, true marvels of nature have slowly been spied. Wild boars are reclaiming the once busy streets in the city of Bergamo. Coyotes roam free on the Golden Gate Bridge, void of traffic in San Francisco. Window shopping in red car is now done by deer, and Welsh goats on the streets of London. No, in fact there weren't any dolphins in the Venice canals, but it's only a matter of time though. They found unicorn droppings on the lawns in Skegness, and in Swindon there's dodos galore. A mermaid's been bathing in the crystal clear Tyne, 16 mammoths have blocked the M4. A beautician from Glasgow took a photo that shows the Loch Ness monster outside her back door. With less traffic about in the cool evening breeze, you can hear distant dinosaurs roar. Clothes horses are spotted as they gallop through towns, the blossoms early this year on mug trees. Shower roses are blooming with pollen aplenty for growing numbers of our spelling bees. The clatter of shoehorns is heard in our parks as more shoes can rut wild and free. In towns across the land, urban shuttlecocks crow, where the toilet ducts are common to see. Yes, nature's response is a marvel to see, with new freedom to breed and to roam. But however you yearn to be free as a bird, don't be a cock or a tit, stay at home. Don't be a tit or a cock, stay at home.